Okay guys, so today now we are going to see how to install STAAD Pro software in our computer or laptop. So first of all we need to go to our file. So here I have my WinRAR file. So if you don't able to see this file as this WinRAR, so you have to download this WinRAR file. So this setup file you have to download from the Google and you have to install, then you can see the WinRAR files. So now click on this, click on right click. So now click here to extract to Bentley STAAD Pro, this one. So if you click here, all will extract here on. So you are unable to see whether which file is where. So we have to extract to one folder. For that, click on extract to this Bentley. So it will automatically create one folder and it will extract to that. So it is extracting over here. So it has done. So now open our folder. So here we see folder. This is the crack file. So this is the readme. This is the setup and this is support file. So now we have to install for this. Now click on this, double click. So double click on this application. So it will start running. So now click on yes. So it has started installing. So I will minimize my file explorer. So I have downloaded this one. So I will, till then we will change some wallpaper for refreshment. So it is extracting all the files. So here we are done. So we will wait until it gets extracted. So and the setup file will be open. So the installer has been opened. So now here we have done this. So we have to click here, or else we can click on readme. So it will show you the documents of how to install this and how to do that. So it will browser, but we know won't need that. So if you want the structure link and pipe links also, you can select this one. If you want, if you don't want, untick this. So I want, so I'm selecting this one. So now we have to press on install. So it will automatically install this. If you don't have this NetFrame version, so it will ask you to download. So then you have to keep your Wi-Fi on and then you can download this net framework. So after that it will automatically show us. It will install all these files. So here we can see all these 15 will get installed over here. So now we have to click the next. Click on I accept the terms. Click on next. So don't need to change anything. Click on next. So here we don't need to enter any of these. Click on next and click on next if you want to use to whom all users, or you can click for only me also. This won't be no problem. So click on next. So here we are selecting the metric unit system. Click on next and install. So please everyone respond for this and give answers in the chat box, so that we may get to know that you are listening the class. So again click on this, so it automatically open here. So it will install everything. So again click on next. I accept. Click on next. Next. So click on next. Click on next. Click on install. Click on finish. So see, all the installation has done. So now click on close. So we have installed this both. So now we have to copy the patch files. So that is nothing but the crack file. So now click on crack, select this file, right click on it and copy this file. So we have to paste this file over these locations. So for that we will keep this aside and we will keep this tab like this. So now go to local disk. So here you can able to find this S Pro V888 version SS6. Now open it, click on measure and press on Ctrl V. Click on replace the file in the destination. So now again go back. Now go to section chart, Ctrl V. So place file in the destination. So this how you can place the. So again now we have to go to STAAD. So we have to paste here also, and again you have to go to where RC designer. So here you can see the RC designer. Click on Ctrl V and replace the file. So and now go to STAAD Pro, on V, replace file in the destination. So now again go to back. So now go to the STAAD Pro 5.3, paste over here. So replace in here, and again now go to this STAAD Pro, paste and replace file. So we are done with it. So now it's time to open our software. So let's see whether it has cracked or not. So here our software has been opened. So here you can see our projects. So here we have opened our software. So this is how we can install our software easily. So if you click over here and here, again this first one will open. So we can make configurations over here. So we have seen earlier about the basics of STAAD Pro. So in that video you can check it out. So how to edit all these parameters. So okay. So thank you everyone.